All right, we headed to powder coat. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Well, this is a little different start to the series of our from the weeds to the checkers. Apparently I deleted some footage, so we're missing just, I finished stripping down just some of the little wires and the brake lines and stuff like that off the car, and apparently my intro and that is all gone. So what y'all are gonna see right here in this the video is we're fixing to go ahead. We're gonna get, I'm just gonna put some snippets in here because I took my car to work and I just kind of worked on it in between, so it's hard to video at work, and replace some bars. And y'all will see in a later video all the bars that we replaced and done after it's powder coated. But I'll throw some of that in here. It's gonna be pretty quick. And then we're gonna take the car, drop it off at powder coat, and then we're gonna show y'all my daughter's Abbie first race in her Sportster that she's got. She's raced in powder puff. Like I said, she's got like 4 races or something like that under powder puff last year. And she did try to run in one Sportster race, and a guy spun out in front of her. She hit him in the side and busted the radiator, and that wrapped her up last year, and they built the car that she's got this year. So anyway, it'll also be her first race in her car. So we didn't do no video and at the track, like, you know, talking and stuff. So it's just gonna go straight from what we do on the car here and getting it to powder coat into her race. And y'all let her know how she did, and watch it all the way to the end, because she gets better and better as it goes. So don't judge what happens at first to what it's going to be at the end. And but anyway, this is an exciting video, for the point of, this is the last video where y'all will see the car where it's not powder coated. So anyway guys, I hope y'all enjoy. Oh, and y'all see this trailer here. We'll talk about this more in an upcoming video. But once the car's ready and completed, this is going to be a project. This is going to be bringing the trailer from the weeds to the track, to the track, not to the checkers. So, which I guess technically it'll be going to the checkers with us. But anyway, we'll talk about this more. But that's what's going on in this video. Hey, I appreciate all of the subscribers, all the comments. Man, I am blown away with this being a brand new channel, how much attention it's got, guys. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this. Y'all let Abbie know what y'all thought about her and her driving and all that in her first race. So enjoy, guys. All right, well, I got all the pieces cut off here. We got the T-bar cut off here, T-bar cut off here. We got the battery box cut out, everything ground down. Still got to grind a little bit of that off. Got the door bar that was bent cut off, and one of the downspout that was bent. So got it cut out. We've got this bar here has got a bend in it. If I have enough tubing when I get through doing everything that I'm going to do here, I may end up replacing that. But anyway, I'm at work piddling on this thing as I have time in between my work duties. Just a little update. This T-bar is built, welded in, with the brackets installed. We got this down bar here that was bent, replaced. We're getting this door bar put in. I'm thinking you can see that down bar going there and the one coming there. I'm thinking about coming here. Don't know why they wouldn't have put one here to here and then there to here. So, but anyway, progress is being made. Closer and closer to powder coat. A lot. All right, that's another T-bar built. All right, we headed to powder coat. So this will be the last time we see her like this. Next time you see her, she'll be something other than ugly, bare, gray, whatever metal.
by my called Walker's Head.
Well, that's going to wrap it up. That's a done deal. I thought Abby did wonderful. She dodged, missed some wrecks, kept herself clean, and finished the race. And that is one of the most important things. So it's also a video that we done is me testing the editing, putting the in-car in there, and the overall race. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about that. If y'all think I should change something up, show something a little different, move it back and forth, whatever, y'all let me know, because I want the videos to be something that y'all like and y'all want to watch. So anyway, like I said at the first of the video, the next video y'all see will be the car will be powder coated. Y'all will get to see the color it is, and I am excited for y'all to see it because we're making progress. This thing is looking awesome. So hey, if you hadn't already, y'all hit the subscribe button, give me some likes and some comments. Y'all are doing great at. Share it out with all your friends, guys. Tell them about the channel. And hey, till next time, we'll see y'all.